A beautiful fall day in Seoul, South Korea, and we arrive at the stem cell clinic in Gangnam, an upscale section of Seoul. This is the Imi clinic run by one of the most famous neurologists in Korea. My wife is Korean, and she had traveled here earlier to research stem cell therapy, and she found one of the best places for us to have this done. Dr. Gae-hoon Ahn, MD, PhD, is acknowledged as one of the top neurologists in Korea. He has 30 years' experience in stem cell therapy and has written several books. This is the incubator lab where your own harvested stem cells are extracted and cultured. They use your own stem cells from your marrow. This is not fetal stem cell therapy, and they don't use donor cells. Stem cell therapy is used to treat a number of degenerative and chronic conditions. Dr. Ahn reviews your medical history and does an initial exam. Patients are shown to a private, comfortable room to change into hospital gowns, and then he briefs us on the procedure. Dr. Ahn has an impressive presentation that documents some of the successful uses of this therapy. They do an initial treatment injecting your harvested cells at specific sites, plus an IV drip. They also bank your cells so that you can come back years later for further treatments. Stem cell therapy is a growing field of medicine. I'm told by doctors in America that South Korea is way more advanced than the U.S. The therapy is used for a number of conditions. Stem cell therapy is shown to repair and rejuvenate tissue. All right, Mimi goes first, and we're not going to show you the actual harvesting. They inject a needle into your hip bone and extract your own marrow. I've just been informed that I thought they were going to take it from the belly fat, which I have a little, but they say that it's a much better outcome if you take it from your bone marrow. So they're going to stick a needle, I think, up my ass into my hip bone. And they say it's only really uncomfortable for about 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. So I'm really looking forward to this. They immediately give you an IV drip of your own stem cells, and then they culture and store your cells for future use. We were in the clinic a total of about 4 hours. It wasn't really painful there. I'd be lying if I told you couldn't feel the needle going in your hip. Like, there was a little jolt of pain, but it really wasn't bad. They immediately take some of the stem cell material and they inject it, like if you have a bad shoulder, a bad hip, they injected it into my hip. And then they give you an IV drip that takes about, 30 minutes or so. Pretty easy procedure, and then we're waiting for 2 weeks because they culture some of the cells, and then we'll go back. So for 2 weeks, we're in beautiful Seoul, Korea, which is a modern, clean, wonderful city. It's great to be here in Seoul. So it's September, so the weather's good, and that's our experience at the stem cell clinic. It takes a few months for the full results to manifest, and we'll keep you posted.